Picked up this new Cobbe shower. I'm gonna go ahead and install it. It's a good size here. As you can see in my hand, I have pretty big hands here. And it comes with a stainless steel shower hose. The ends all come protected. Comes with tape. And it comes with the diverter valve. And instructions if you happen to need that. Let's go ahead and check it out. This is the new shower installed. Comes down easily. Has a spray setting. Let me just see that or not. Yeah, come on, video. Okay. That's just like a flip of a switch there. How that works. And you also got the other settings here. If I twist it. It's actually pretty well made, I gotta say. Haven't had this particular brand before. But I got 0 leaks. Tough let in the top sprayer here. I got 0 leaks out of everything. I just plumber taped everything just like they had it, and it is not leaking anywhere. So I like it. It looks really nice.
Look what I did.